working as Associate Professor in the Department of Computer Science, Dayananda Sagar College of Engineering, Bangalore 78. With the arrangement given here, we can count 0 to 9. So this is a general arrangement made for counting 0 to 9. Initially you have to connect these two also to ground. And in this there are two reset pins and there are two set pins. So normally we don't set. Set means set the last value here. So this is the maximum value. We can set the output here to 9. Okay. So here there are two active high set pins are there. So we don't set to 9. That is the reason we deactivate them by connecting them permanently to ground. So then here if you make them permanently to ground, so then they will also be inactive, so that this counter here count from 0 to 9 with applied clock here. So you need 10 clock pulses to 9 clock pulses to get these values. Okay. Now suppose if you want to get different modulus counter. So if you want to say, if you want to display up to 4, correct? So next display up to 4. So under that condition you have to open this ground connection. So you have to separate pin number 2 and 3. Now column wise you come and check where ones are, and also you have to find out how many ones are there in 5, because if you want to count from 0 to 4, so this 1 has to become 0, no? So these ones has to be changed to 0, so that you will go back to the first condition. So QC is 1, QA is 1. Now you have to connect those two ones to these, that's all. So one is QA, which is available here, so connect it to this. The other one is QC, connect to this. So with this arrangement, just little modification. You have to open the ground connection, so then you have to find out how many ones are there and also which are ones. So QA is 1, QC is 1, connect them to these two reset inputs. Okay, you can observe that in the any of these conditions are there, so it is count. That means counter counts. Only when these two inputs are made 1 1, then it resets. Okay, you can observe that up to this point one of the input will be here. First 4 conditions, one of the input 0, no? So that is, let us say 2 is 0. So then this is 1, 0, 1, but still counter counts. Then when you come to this, this is 0. Okay, so this is 0, this is 1. Now only when these two are 1 1, no? So it resets. Okay, so like this you can consider any sequence. In some cases, if you want to display up to 3, no? If you want to display up to 3, you have to take 4. Next count we have to take. Always next count we have to take for resetting. Now you have only one output high, no? So that is the reason what you can do. In 2 ways you can do this. So short these two, give from QC. Short these, I'll separately write 2, 3 only. Different arrangements. So connect from, this will be from QC, input QC. Otherwise the alternate is 2, 3. One of the input you give in advance 5 volts. Connect this QC. Okay. So now you can observe that up to this, up to this. Yeah, up to this. So QC is 0, no? So that is the reason one of the input is 0. So counter counts. We already made this pin number 3 1, and now your QC becomes 1. When both are 1 1, it resets. That's how it counts from 0 to 3. So okay, when 4 comes, it resets. Like this, you can observe that in most of the cases there will be single 1 or 2 ones. Just now I explained you, if you have 2 ones, how to apply those two to this. Only in one case, if you want to display up to 6, you have to take this 7. You have 3 ones, no? It is not possible for you to, because we don't have 3 reset pins, we have only 2. You have to convert these two to 2 input pins. That is the reason you can go for this arrangement. Use one AND gate, 2 input AND gate. So you connect QA, QB. So that you give it to pin number 2, for example. The other one is QC, directly you give to 3. If you have 2 input AND gate, 2 inputs must be given to AND gate. When both are 1, 1, this also becomes 1 now. And the other one, QC, is given directly to 3. So that becomes 1. When these two are 1, 1, it resets. So this is the arrangement you can use. The alternative is this: if you don't want to use AND gate, so then there is 3 input NAND gate is there. So give QA, QB, QC as input. Then we don't want NAND, so we want inversion. So again you have to use one more gate on that and use this as inverter. Okay. So when all are 1, no, this will be 0. When this 0 is inverted, it becomes 1. Under that condition, you have to short these two. I prefer this. This is much easier.
You spin my head right round when you go down, down.
You spin my head right round when you go down,
Hey, walk out the house with my swagger, hop in that whip, yo, I got places to go. People to see, time is precious. I look at my Cartier,